Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexis. Why did I just do that? It's kind of like the make it fancy. What's her face? Oh crap, I forgot her name. Brie from Tasty. She says make it fancy whenever she. Anyway, never mind. Side note. Okay, so I am doing a makeup look today, inspired by a makeup artist on Twitter that I follow, and her name is uh, renzate or Buttchin Ren. I'll post the picture up here of her profile. And there's a look on her banner that is this beautiful green and blue and gold look that I really want to try. So if you're interested in watching me recreate this woman, Rosate's, I don't know what to say, this woman, Rosate's makeup look, then keep watching. Alright guys, so this is the end of my video. I'm actually surprised at how well this came out. Is it exactly how Ren did it? No. But I kind of took my own little spin on it and did what I could. I don't typically do looks like this on my channel, so this is a whole new thing for me. And I really, really like it. I think that the gold, like the cut crease I could have done, I don't know how I could have done that any cleaner. I think my lines are a little thick, but again, it's not something that I've done a whole lot. And as I say, practice makes perfect. So, yeah, I'm pretty stoked with this. I'm going to take a few pictures and then wash my face off. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video, and I will see you soon. Bye!